Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of our solar system. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating and talked about planets, Mars. Known as the Red Planet, Mars has captivated human imagination for centuries. So, let's dive in and uncover what makes Mars so special. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is located about 225 million kilometers away from Earth on average. It's often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. But Mars is much more than just a red dot in the sky. One of the most exciting things about Mars is its potential to support life. Scientists have found evidence that liquid water once flowed on its surface. There are dried-up riverbeds, lake basins, and even signs of ancient oceans. Today, water still exists on Mars, but mostly in the form of ice, found at the poles and beneath the surface. These discoveries make Mars one of the prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Mars is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands about 22 kilometers high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It's so big that it could cover the entire state of Arizona. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, similar to those found in Hawaii, and its enormous size is a testament to the planet's volcanic activity in the past. Mars also boasts the largest canyon, Valles Marineris, which is over 4,000 kilometers long and up to 7 kilometers deep. Imagine a canyon that stretches from coast to coast in the United States. Valles Marineris is thought to have formed through tectonic activity and erosion, offering scientists clues about the geological history of Mars. Another interesting feature of Mars is its weather. While it's much colder than Earth, with average temperatures around -60 degrees Celsius, Mars experiences seasons similar to ours because of its tilted axis. However, a Martian year is almost twice as long as an Earth year, lasting about 687 Earth days. Mars also has some of the largest dust storms in the solar system, which can cover the entire planet and last for weeks. These storms can create dramatic changes in the landscape, reshaping dunes and eroding rocks. Mars' atmosphere is very thin, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. This thin atmosphere means that Mars cannot retain heat, leading to its extreme temperature fluctuations. It also means that the surface is bombarded by radiation from the sun and cosmic rays, making the planet's surface a harsh environment for life as we know it. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are much smaller than Earth's moon and are thought to be captured asteroids. Phobos, the larger of the two, is gradually getting closer to Mars and is expected to either crash into the planet or break apart to form a ring in about 50 million years. Deimos, on the other hand, is slowly moving away from Mars. These moons add to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the Martian system. One of the most exciting aspects of Mars exploration is the fleet of robotic explorers that have been sent to study the planet. NASA's rovers, like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and the latest, Perseverance, have provided incredible insights into Mars' geology and climate. Perseverance is particularly exciting because it's searching for signs of ancient microbial life and collecting samples to be returned to Earth by a future mission. The rover also carries Ingenuity, a small helicopter that has made the first powered flights on another planet, showcasing the potential for aerial exploration on Mars. Speaking of exploration, humans are preparing to visit Mars. Organizations like NASA and SpaceX are working on plans to send astronauts to Mars in the 2030s. These missions aim to establish a human presence on Mars, making it our next great frontier. The challenges of sending humans to Mars are immense, from the long journey to the need for sustainable habitats, but the potential rewards are just as great. Imagine humans walking on the surface of Mars, conducting experiments, and perhaps even building the first Martian colonies. In mythology, Mars is named after the Roman god of war, reflecting its fiery red color. This name has inspired countless stories and myths, as well as scientific curiosity. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to the more recent The Martian by Andy Weir, Mars has been a focal point of science fiction and dreams of interplanetary travel. The idea of humans living and working on Mars has fueled both our imaginations and our scientific endeavors. As we continue to learn more about Mars, we get closer to answering some of the big questions. Was there ever life on Mars? Could humans live there one day? The Red Planet holds many secrets, and with each mission, we unveil a little more of its mystery. Mars not only tells us about its own history but also offers insights into the processes that have shaped our solar system. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore Mars. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into our solar system. See you next time, and keep looking up.